Mabuhay Rizal! Tenen, 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 tenen. Wow, grabe naman, napaka-exciting at feel na feel ko ang pagiging Rizaliano because of our opening. Grabe energy, guys, ha?
Yes, aba syempre naman,
Nako.
Mikey. Sino ba namang hindi may excite? Lalo na't muling nagbabalik here on campus ang ating mga Rizalians.
That's right!
Ikaw, Mikey, sino bang namimiss mo sa campus?
Uy,
Sino ba yan?
uy, wag na. Uy,
Hindi sino ang namimiss ni Ate Mikey, kundi yung tambayan kasi nila sa Information Commons.
Ay, yun naman
secret
pala.
lang yun. Baka malaman nila hideout namin.
Ay, ito
Oo nga,
naman.
namimiss ko na matulog sa information ko.
Ayan.
Are you ready to embark on a journey of becoming a modern-day hero and showcase your talino, tatag,
Puso. At talentong
Rizal! Husay Rizal! Grabe, iba talaga ang Husay Rizal spirit ng mga Rizaliano.
Tama ka dyan, Aubrey. Kaya naman, Rizalians and future Rizalians, come and join us as we explore every corner of José Rizal University. I'm Kat.
I'm Edward.
I'm Rachel. I'm Aubrey. I'm Janine. I am Mikey.
and I am Rob.
And we are your Rizalian Campaign Heroes.
So Rizalians, ready na ba kayo sa ating campus tour?
Teka, bago tayo magsimula, have a sneak peek of our campus from our aerial shots.
A place where you can call home and enjoy without worrying about your safety. At José Rizal University, your safety is our priority. That's why we've installed turnstile gates in every entrance, including the main lobby, the small gate, elementary school building, and junior high school building. These gates provide peace of mind for parents, ensuring that their children are safe within the university premises. Good morning po! Upon entering the main lobby, you will feel the warm welcome of the Rizalian community. On the left side, you will see the help desk where you can ask all queries about where to find the place you are looking for.
But do you know the most interesting part upon entering the main gate? You will witness the beauty of the lower quadrangle. The lower quadrangle is one of the main places where you can enjoy different and important events that partake in the university, like Frosh Day, Pep Rally, student organization events, and more, as our stage is placed here at the center of attraction.
You will also find the statue of our beloved founder, Dr. Vicente F. Fabella, here at the lower quadrangle. Dr. Fabella, the first ever certified public accountant, holds a special place in the heart of our university.
Facing the fascinating lower quadrangle is our Rizalian's favorite tambayan, the upper quadrangle. The first thing that will catch your eye here is the statue of our former president, Dr. Arman V. Fabella. A little trivia for you Rizalians and our future Rizalians. The ancestral house of our founder and the famous Lover's Lane used to be located right here. Uy mga kuya, bawal mag-PDA dito.
Uy, di kami talo.
Mag-online class po kami.
Ay sorry naman, si OA lang.
If reading is what you want, don't worry, I got you. Here at JRU, we have 5 libraries. Pre, baka maingay dito sa library. Pero, tama ba pagkakarinig ko? That we have 5 libraries here at JRU? Tama ka ng pagkakarinig, pre. Here at JRU, we have 5 functioning libraries that can help you unleash your talinong Rizal and can be used by our Rizalians and of course, you too, our future Rizalians.
The elementary school library serves as a nurturing ground for our young modern-day heroes, preparing them for a future that's both bright and ready.
The junior high school library has a wide range of materials. It has approximately 13,000 volumes of books, which include an impressive reference collections. hundreds of classics, and popular fiction collections.
The university's main library occupies both the first and second floors of Building H. It has a seating capacity of 1,000 and is fully air-conditioned. It houses rich collections of books and periodicals, listing more than 100,000 with hundreds of new books and non-books added regularly. The main library also has 3 collaborative learning commons that can be used for small group discussions, and laptops and computers can be borrowed.
Located on the second floor of our building, this branch provides services to graduate school and law school students. The library contains over thousands of books and consists of hundreds of theses conducted by graduate students. There are also reference resources available online, such as ProQuest, the online database that provides students, faculty, and staff members instant access to high-quality journals.
And of course, the cutting-edge and newest library we have, the Information Commons, located on the 5th floor of the Centennial building. It has 300 and more student capacity with 4 functional rooms for big group discussions. You know what's interesting here? Instead of books, computers and laptops are available. What an amazing place to be, isn't it? Hoy mga kuya, bawal matulog dito.
The internet has revolutionized our modern world in incredible ways. Here in Building H, 3rd floor, we embrace this modernity with computer labs dedicated to our IT and engineering students, as well as our senior high school students, fostering innovation and growth through technology.
Going up, here on the 5th floor of Building H is the home of the College of Nursing and Health Sciences. The mini hospital of the university is also located in this place. Talking about health professions, here in Building C, you can find our clinic full of modern-day heroes who are licensed, professional nurses, and doctors.
Located on the first floor of Building C, you'll discover more than just the clinic. This area also houses the Student Development Office, prayer room, and bookstore, providing essential services and resources for our Rizalians.
Located on the 4th floor, home of the College of Hospitality and Tourism Management, we boast our exceptional facilities. Explore our hotel, kitchen, and the newly renovated Enology Center designed to provide a hands-on experiences for our students.
Let's journey to the heart of our administrative hub. Building A stands as one of our oldest foundations here in the university. Within its walls, you will discover the essential offices including the College Dean's offices, Registrar, and the Finance Group.
Welcome to Building K, home to our elementary school students. Our spacious facility is equipped with numerous CCTV cameras, ensuring the safety of our little modern-day heroes. Additionally, the elementary school building boasts essential amenities such as a canteen, science labs, computer labs, and a library, providing a nurturing environment for their academic journey.
Building M, one of JRU's oldest structure, is where our junior high students dive into the adventure of self-discovery and fun. It's here that they start to explore, express themselves, and create lasting memories, with access to essential facilities like their own canteen, science labs, computer labs, and library.
Looking for a beautiful place to stay? Look no further than Building B, home to our senior high school students. It offers a serene environment with stunning green scenery for you to enjoy during your breaks. Also located here is the statue of the first and only female president of JRC, Doña Carmen de Jesus Fabella. Actually, may chismis about her missing fan.
Uy, anong rumor?
Wala, sabi ko tara na. Mahaba-haba pa itong campus tour.
Did you know that the only law school here in Mandaluyong City can only be found here in JRU? Our esteemed JRU Law School and Graduate School, situated here in the Tower Building, is dedicated to fostering professional excellence. Established 57 years ago, our law school has proudly produced hundreds of remarkable professionals, shaping successful careers grounded in professionalism.
It's really more fun here in JRU. Experiencing the loud noises of balls dribbling, the gymnasium is the home of our proud Bombers.
To give tribute to centennial years of JRU, let me take you guys on a tour of our university's Centennial Building. Discover our impressive 9.5-story building equipped with high-tech classrooms, a vibrant student lounge, an innovative library, a canteen, and a scenic balcony offering breathtaking views. Plus, don't miss the state-of-the-art Centennial Auditorium.
Wow! Did you guys enjoy our tour? I hope you did because more exciting things will unleash once you step your foot here in JRU.
Totoo yan, Mikey. Your journey of finding your inner hero will now start, so it's better to be in a place where you feel safe and supported.
So buckle up, future Rizalians, as we both step into unleashing your
Talino, tatag,
Taos puso,
At talentong,
Rizal! Husay Rizal!
Once again, I'm Katrina.
I'm Edward.
I'm Rachel.
I'm Aubrey. I'm Janine.
I am Mikey.
and I am Rob.
And we are your Rizalian campaign heroes!
Grabe guys, nagutom ako sa campus tour natin.
Kaya nga, te. Tara, kain tayo.
Tara.
Sir Pao, baka naman. Uy, si Sir Pao.
Kain tayo, tara.